All right, all you Craftsman haters out there, this is your opportunity. I've got this Craftsman grinder belt sander deal, and it keeps breaking belts. Brand new belts, nice clean cut. Seems to break right here in this area. There is no alignment issue about the belt going left or right to the sides. You can look. I mean, this is a brand new belt and no fraying or anything like that to indicate that the belt was misaligned before it broke. Never had nothing sanded with it. Just turned it on. Run for a couple minutes. The sander goes to like a high speed mode, and I got a stack of them over here. The sander goes to a high speed mode, then it just snaps. So, any suggestions, any idea how to solve it would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.